Thank you very much for the wonderful introduction. I am very happy to be here today to speak about the subject clustering in industries, especially with the senior economic students. I understand that majority of the students are from post-graduation, MPhil, PhD, and so on. I don't have any academical qualification to tell about, but I can confidently explain about the clustering experience in India because I could take leadership for creating 6 clusters in Kerala. The first cluster unit in furniture industry came at Ernakulam, Kerala Furniture Consortium Private Limited. I was the founder managing director of that cluster. It was founded in the year of 2008. It was the first cluster in furniture industry in India. I am coming from a very poor background, so I could not complete my education. I left Kerala state in the age of 17 and joined for the employment at Gujarat at the age of 17 with 500 rupees of monthly salary. I worked there in Gujarat and Mumbai for about 8 years. And because of the support, only because of the support from the Marwadi Gujarati community, I could come back to Kerala and settle down at Cochin and started furniture trading. After experiencing my furniture trade, I could do backward integration as well as the forward integration. You might be aware about the backward integration and forward integration in business. As a trader, to create growth, I must enter into manufacturing for backward integration. I must compete with the existing traders in the community. So we took a strategy not to compete, but to collaborate with the existing industry. At present, I am into manufacturing. I am into wholesale trading. I am into retailing, importing, exporting, and all the segment I could reach only because of the cluster approach in the industry. You may be aware that Government of India is having a cluster guideline, MSME cluster guideline, which provides 90% of the financial support up to 20 crore projects. It is as per the guidelines of United Nations Cluster Development Program. We could create 6 such clusters in Kerala. I told you, I am hailing from a very poor background. I don't have much academical qualification. But to prepare for this speech, I could go, I have referred few of the economic books to discuss with you. While referring the economics, I understood that you people are more knowledgeable than me in economics. So I am not here to teach you the economics, but the factors of production, all of you are aware about this. Factors of production, land, labor, capital, organization. So while studying all these things, I have gone through my life experience. I was an employee, that means I was a worker in the early stage. I was a laborer. Later, I could become into take a role into the organization part. Normally, the business communities discuss about the profit. Profit is meant for the investors. That is what the business community is thinking about. But while going through the economic books, I understood that the profit is not meant for the investors, but it is for the organizers. So I can suggest a career path to the economic students. So in my practical life, to my children also, while they do the schooling, I started practicing some of the entrepreneurship in the school also. So people started criticizing. From the childhood itself, the fellow is doing some mistake by practicing some business. What we have done to create fund for the PTA, that means for the school running expenditure. We have started manufacturing soaps. Among the students community, we did a survey for creating the brand name. So we got the name Nanma, goodness. Majority persons are from Kerala. I understand that the meaning of Nanma can be understood by all the audience. We could produce soaps in bulk quantity. We have printed the boxes from Tamil Nadu and brought it and marketed here. So students could get the practical experience of business experience. The factors of production is also the land, labor, capital, and the organization. So from the labor part, I could become an organizer. Then I started buying land only through the cluster experience, because I already briefed you about the government scheme. Government is providing up to 20 crore rupees and in the tune of 90%, 70% from the government of India and 20% from government of Kerala. Only 10% need to be collected from the members of industrial community. If 20% joins the cluster, yeah, I got a message from Christabel Madam up to 9:35. Let me check the message to 9:35 and 5 minutes for question from students. Oh, okay. 9:35. I will make a stop. Yeah. Thank you very much. So I started my business with a small amount of loan from that is Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, PMEGP. There is a scheme. That scheme is still existing. Up to 25 lakh rupees project for any of the manufacturing. 30 to 35% subsidy is available from government. I have created a project report of my own because I understood that when we get the project report prepared by the other persons, our unique intervention will not be there in the project report. That is the main cause for rejecting the project report by the bankers. I have practically learned it and I studied how to create project report. I made the project report for myself and approached several banks, and I got 25 lakhs rupees loan without any collateral security. At present, up to 3 crore rupees without a single rupee collateral security, you will get the loan. The scheme is called Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Small and Medium Enterprises. CGT MSc. I took loan for 25 lakh rupees at that time. Now I have a loan facility for more than 10 crore rupees. Even though I'm hailing from a very poor background, now I can proudly say that I'm rich only because of the cluster movement. That means together we can grow. We have created the association, Furniture Manufacturers and Merchants Association of Kerala. I was the founder state president of the association. And we created a cluster at Chadayamangalam at Kollam, one at Perumbavoor at Cochin, the third one at Valluvanadu, Malappuram, fourth one at Kannur, Pariyaram, fifth one at Calicut, sixth one at Chevur at Trichur. Last month, we got a new sanction from the government, Kaladi Steel Furniture Cluster at Kaladi at Ernakulam district. That is also 90% of the 15 crore project. See, what are the supporting projects we have? Plenty of project schemes available from Government of India and Government of Kerala. But most of the people prefer to go for employment. Everybody want to be worker only in terms of economic. Economic term, everybody goes as workers only. Not as organizers, not as landlords, not as investor. After having 8 years of my worker position, that is employment position, I could become organizer. Later on, with the support of Government of India and Government of Kerala, we could create several clusters. Now we are in a position to compete with any of the world furniture leaders. You may be aware that IKEA is the world leader in furniture industry. We don't have any problem if IKEA reaches to Kerala because we have better machineries installed, better designs with the National Institute of Design, which a single person cannot avail because of the heavy financial burden. Now we import furniture as well as export also. Earlier, the import was more and export was less. Now, import is getting reduced and export is getting high. We could visit most of the world furniture exhibitions only because of the cluster movement, because Government of India is also providing. At present, we are not utilizing it. Earlier, we were using the government support. Now we are immensely rich and we can travel with our own money. We don't need any support, but initially we got support from government to travel abroad, to participate in the exhibition. Government is giving support. National Institute of Design, they are supporting with a Government of India scheme for design development. So 75% of the financial assistance we get from Government of India for design development. So we have world-class designs with us. We have world-class missionaries with us. We have world-class exposure also. We can bring higher level of consultancy through the cluster approach, because if I have 5 crore rupees, I may not be able to spend that much for a consultancy service. But if we 1,000 persons coming together and spending for a consultancy, everyone get the benefit and together we can grow. Team, as usual, everybody says the definition of team. Together, everybody achieves more. We have practically done it. From Trivandrum to Kasaragod, our plan is to create 14 clusters, out of which 7 got sanctioned and 4 got implemented. Other projects are in pipeline. Hope all of you will refer to the MSc Cluster Development Guideline. It is available. You can search on the Google for MSc CDP, Micro Small Medium Enterprises Cluster Development Program. Not only for manufacturing, to create marketplace. We have applied for a marketing center also, up to 10 crore rupees. 6 crore is being provided by Government of India and 2 crore from Government of Kerala. Only 2 crore need to be brought from the industrial community. You are also aware that the most of the employment is provided by the MSME community. I am really proud to tell you, I have employed 563 persons in my industries. Now I am partner of 12 industries. I stopped going to my industry since last 5 years because now I am an investor. Now I am a landlord. So in the economic terms, I was promoted from a worker to an organizer, organizer to the landlord, and landlord to an investor. So the study of economics should also encourage or inspire the persons to become an investor in the while becoming old age. In the Veda psychology, Veda teaching, there is Brahmacharya, Grihasthasrama, then Vanaprastha, then Sannyasa. 4 terms. This may be connected with the economic terms also. Brahmacharyam is the age of youth. It is the time for getting educated or employed. So thereafter, while doing the Grihasthasrama, people, according to me, I have created lots of money during my Grihasthasrama period. Now I am getting into the other age, that is Vanaprastha. What is the role of Vanaprastha? Just sit. Don't do or don't expect anything. The wealth created by us, the wealth created through the cluster approach, we have 2 benefits. One is we have created wealth. Second one, we have second line leaders. Even if I die, there won't be any problem. Because without even my presence in my industry, the profit is coming. So why should I work? But I should work in the age that you may be heard the quote from the Alibaba.com founder, Jack Ma. Never work for money, work to learn. So you can become an entrepreneur after having a period of employment. I have worked for 8 years, then become self-employed. Thereafter, I got promoted into cluster. That means team. We have created a team. In the furniture industry, we created furniture association. In the social life, we have created a positive commune. We have a positive commune entrepreneurship club also. There we don't have any membership fee. There is no president, there is no secretary, there is no office bearers. Everybody equal in that stage. We could get 5 crore rupees from government of Kerala for creating an entrepreneurship development zone. IT sector, that means government of Kerala gave us 5 crore. We have set up a Malabar Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Zone in Kannur. I am the director of that entrepreneurship development zone. We are all working voluntarily. It is a Section 8 company, non-profit making company. So we could create that common facility center also to develop the entrepreneurs. We have angel investors network along with that. Apart from that, we have created a global business community in the name of Kerala's initiative to transform and emerge. The short name is KITE. Kerala's initiative to transform and emerge. KITE Global. We have a global Malayali community, business community in that platform to discuss the growth of industry. Yes, students from economic background, you may be referring to the economic reviews coming from the government. There is an institute called Gulati Institute of Taxation Management. I was reading that their monthly bulletin last 3 months ago. The trade deficit in Kerala works out to 1.5 lakh crore. Trade deficit of Kerala. Kerala is a consumer state. So if we can find out this 1.5 lakh crore, already the data is available with Gulati Institute of Taxation Management. Which are the products coming out from outside? Where it is getting sold? On what price it is getting sold? All the data are available with Gulati Institute. I was talking to the office bearers. Please provide that data to us so that we can invite the global business community to start business in Kerala through cluster approach. Because all of us are aware that Kerala is a NRI populated state, and majority of Gulf returnees sitting idle after coming back to our mother state. Why can't we channelize all these data? Why can't we utilize all this data for the growth of our state? Economic students and economic professors can take a lead. We, the industrial persons, are always not only available, we are all very happy to work along with the economists for the common growth of the state, especially through industrialization. So you are all welcome to my zone, that means Malabar Innovation Zone. It is a non-profit making organization to support the entrepreneurs. You are all of you are also welcome to Positive Commune Entrepreneurship Club. We have a entrepreneurship help desk. We brief about all the state and central government schemes. I can very easily say that means every household can create small industry of their own. There is a nano household scheme provided by the government of Kerala. Up to 5 lakh rupees, you can start some of the small kind of industries, even if you do some food processing and supply online or something, whatever it may. Up to 5 lakh rupees, 8% of the interest is paid by the government for the women entrepreneurs, 6% for the men. So if we take loan from bank for 10% of interest, women entrepreneurs will get 8% of reimbursement. Only they need to pay 2% of interest. So for entrepreneurship, for 2% of interest, money is available. Then the collateral security comes. You need not to give any collateral security. The another scheme is of central government Mudra Bank, up to 10 lakh rupees. Without collateral security, you will get the loan. We could get it for our young entrepreneurs through our Malabar Innovation Zone. We are doing regular classes for that. We are training the person to prepare the project report. You may also aware that every district there is a RCET. In Kannur, the name is RUDSET, Rural Development Institute. They provide free training programs, not only free training program, but accommodation facility, food facility, everything free. But even then, people go for employment after the study. Do you feel that the government can give employment to all our population? Never. It is impossible. So what is the way out? Become entrepreneur. Become clusters. Instead of competition, you start collaborating. Because now the collaboration is more easy after the COVID intervention. We always believe that the successful persons and the failed person, the only difference between the successful person and the failed person is that all the successful persons, they find opportunity in all the problem. All the failed person always find some problem in all the opportunities. So all the problems are opportunities for entrepreneurs. For like an example, I'm not talking about the furniture industry alone. Waste is a problem. Plastic waste, that waste, this waste is a problem. We discussed about converting this problem into an opportunity. We have created a technological platform called Nellika. And in the last budget, government referred that Nellika program created at Taliparamba. We have barcode system. When we collect the waste from the households, we can scan through the mobile and how much weight we have collected when the collector visited the place. All the data are available with the municipality. So weight has become an entrepreneurial opportunity, and financial growth taken place, social development took place, city has become neat and clean. So earlier, business persons were talking about the profit. The definition of profit by the business person, not by the economist, is what is that? Sold rate minus purchase rate, or sold rate minus the manufacturing price. This is the profit. But the definition of profit has been changed now. What kind of problem you are going to solve? If we are able to solve a problem of the society, profit is a reward. Profit is the return on investment, is an appreciation by the society. In term, it gets as profit. It is 10:37 right now. I took 2 minutes more. I am stopping here.